Hi, my name is Derek Verogravell. During this video I will demonstrate and explain how to perform advanced techniques while using the program Microsoft Word. I want to preface this video by specifying that everything shown has been learned using the Microsoft Office 2010 Post-Advanced book. I will begin by showing you how to insert a screenshot into your document. I will then show you how to compress a picture. I'll also show you how to protect your document so that no one else can change anything without your permission. And then I will finish off the video by demonstrating how to create a macro. So let's start off by inserting a screenshot. Inserting a screenshot is relatively easy. What you're going to want to do is go into the Insert tab, and then you're going to have the Screenshot tab right here. Going to click on it, and now you're going to have your available windows. You're going to choose which one you want to screenshot. Let's go to the Microsoft. I'm going to go to the SLC webpage. From here, you can crop out what you do not want. So once you've completed your selection of the region that you would like to have in your document, just finish cropping and deselect, and there you go. You have successfully inserted your screenshot. Now if you want to just move it around, you're just gonna have to change the background or the type of the picture, and there you go. You can just move it around in your document. Alright, so now I'm going to continue by showing you how to compress the screenshot that you just took. So once again, you're going to want to select the picture, click on the format where you see the picture tools on the format tab. You're going to see a tab that's written compress picture. To compress a picture is just to reduce the size of it so that the document will become smaller, easier to transfer to people, to download, to just takes less space on the computer or on a USB key or any of the above. So as you see, you have the compress options. You can delete the cropped areas of the picture. So those are the pictures that I removed before. So you only want to apply on this picture, right? Well, it's the only picture, but if you had a bunch of other pictures, you would like to apply it on either all the pictures or only on this one. And then you have your target output. So you see the excellent quality, and then just the smaller you go, the smaller the picture is going to be, take less place. So we're just going to use the document resolution. We're going to click OK, and that's it. That's how you compress the picture to make your document smaller. Alright, so now, as I mentioned before, I'm going to demonstrate how you can protect the form so that nobody else can edit it without your permission. So you're going to want to go into, you're going to want to click on your File tab to go in the backstage, and from there you're going to see Permission, Protect Document. You're going to want to click down to see your options, and you're going to see here it's going to be Restrict Editing. And also you see the bunch of other ways to protect your document, but like I said, we're going to restrict the editing. So right here, let's pull this out here, get bigger. So we're going to limit the format, section types. We're going to allow, so we want no changes, read only. Exceptions, no, there's no exceptions. So yes, I want to enforce this protection. And so now this is optional. You can create a password. Password can be anything. So I'm just going to put 123, 123, and then OK. And there you go. That's how you protect your document from anybody else being able to change anything inside of it. Alright, for our last step, I'm going to show you how to create a macro. So to create the macro, we're going to have to start by stopping the protection. As you see, we have the password that I created before, which is 123. There we go. Stop the protection. From there, we can begin to create our macro. In order to create the macro, we're going to have to enable the developer tab. To enable the developer tab, you're going to need to go back into your files, click on the options, and then you got the quick access tool. You got the customize ribbon. Excuse me. You're going to want to click on the developer to allow it, and then just click OK. And then you see here the developer tab is enabled. And from there, I'm going to show you how to create a macro. Alright, so to create the macro, you're going to want to click on the record a macro button. From there, you can name it anything. I'll just name it hiding screen elements. Description, which is not necessary, but we're just going to write hide elements. And then we're going to assign to the keyboard button. Press. So we're going to see the shortcut key. It's going to be, we're going to write Alt H. So that's the button. As soon as we click Alt H, that's the button that's going to enable our macro to start, and therefore, so we're going to assign it, and then we're going to close. So from now, you see we started to record our macro, and this is what we're going to do for our our macro. What our macro is going to do for us. It's going to show the formatting. So here we're just going to click this, which shows the formatting, and then we're going to go back to the developer tab, and we're just going to stop recording. So now if we click Alt H, excuse me, Alt H, I'll just, instead of having to go click into our home and click this button right here, Alt H is our macro that enables it. So I hope this video was informative and you learned a lot using it or listening to it. Thank you very much.